Welcome to my channel once more. So today I'm going to be doing some curry goat. These are my main ingredients. You're going to wash your goat with some water and pat dry it. Gonna be seasoning it up with some scallion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, black pepper, onion, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, Maggi seasoning, black pepper, salt, pimento. So now, just gonna let this marinate. After you combine everything together, then you put it in your fridge and let it marinate before you start to cook your curry goats. Welcome back. So now at the goat that I've marinated from overnight, now we're gonna start the cooking process. So stay tuned. Now guys, before you take off a pressure cooker, you must allow it to cool down a bit before you decide to take it off. Not gonna give you an estimated time, just have to check to see if meat is tender enough. If not, you can always let it cook down a little bit more. Let this cook down some more, and I added some additional scallion and piece of thyme.